Hey everybody, it's Andrew Thomas coming at you with your daily quick bit. Today I wanted to go over a couple of rules of thumbs for you guys when it comes to real estate investing. Just two today, but the first rule of thumb is the 1% rule. This is a quick way for an investor to analyze a group of properties and determine if they think it's going to cash flow. So the way the 1% rule works is 1 month's rent should equal 1% of the overall value of the property, or the price you would be willing to purchase it at. So for example, if you have a home, it brings in $1,000 rent, you could assume that $100,000 will cash flow. Now, this is not a fact in every situation, but that's why it's a rule of thumb to help you out. The other rule of thumb I wanted to cover was the 50% rule. This is another quick way to see and gauge whether this property is going to be a deal, whether it's going to cash flow, whether it's going to maybe help you out. And again, some people have much higher standards and say, I will not take a property unless it's a very high performing property. But for most people, these rules of thumbs help. And so the way the 50% rule works is they assume that 50% of the revenue generated by this property in 1 year is going to go towards the expenses, which means the remaining 50% of the revenue needs to be able to cover your mortgage, insurance. I think it's just the mortgage. Correct. It is just the mortgage. And it's going to then have its cash flow or profit. And so just by doing those quick calculations, you can go through 50 properties and determine, hey, if I take off half of the revenue and have to still pay a $500 mortgage, what kind of money is going to be left over each month? So those are just some quick rules of thumbs you guys can use when analyzing real estate properties. So let me know if that's helpful as you guys look around and say, how do I determine what is and isn't a good property to look at? And I'll keep making more videos, and I'll be with you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye.